Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts here and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And today I wanted to take the time to talk about Robert Harrion. Now, Robert has led an exciting life thus far as an entrepreneur, musician, actor and model, author, and speaker. In 2015, Robert was diagnosed with an aggressive abdominal cancer. After multiple surgeries, Robert has been through hell and back, and he is ready to tell his story of triumph and why he chose to live. He says, "I have spent most of my adult life serving as an inspiration to many people, such as other cancer survivors, musicians, entrepreneurs, executives, political figures, entertainers, clergy, athletes, and many others just like you. Now, after more than 4 years of restoring myself physically, mentally, and spiritually from conquering cancer, I am ready to tell my stories." He says, "Through my inspirational speaking, music, and spiritual gifts, I vow to always inspire you to strive for the highest in all areas of your life." I got to know Robert right here on LinkedIn, and I personally have been very inspired by his posts, by his openness, honesty, and vulnerability, and the way that he is committed to helping others strive for the very best lives that they can live. So check out Robert Harrion here on LinkedIn. Again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. And if you want more confidence and empowerment and for your voice to carry and more longevity, please check me out at laurahandke.com. I offer a free initial 30-minute consultation, and you can also find me right here on LinkedIn.